This is Maggie from Juma, and today I'm going to show you Workspace Analytics. Analytics give you a clear view of how your team is using Juma. Please keep in mind that this is available for admins only. So if you don't see this option, you'll need admin permission. To access it, click on your name over here and go to reports. Here's what you'll see. First is monthly active users. This basically shows the unique active users over the past months. Then you have the user breakdown by segment that analyzes how users transition between engagement tiers month over month. Beginner users are team members that are just getting started. Regular users are team members using Juma consistently. And power users are the team members who've made Juma a core part of their workflow. This basically helps you to see how adoption is progressing over time. Next is user trends for the last 30 days. You'll see active users, how many team members have been in Juma for the past month. All of them, by the way, are counted for the last 30 days. Then we have the adoption rate, the percentage of your workspace actively using Juma, how many are using Juma extensively, as well as the total chats created for the past 30 days. Then there's the message activity. This shows you total messages for the last month with a breakdown of what's private versus shared. It's a good way to see how much collaboration is happening inside your workspace. Then you have the shared projects breakdown, which compares chat activity, collaboration, and engagement across projects in the last 30 days. Shared projects only, of course. Here you can see the most used projects, the date created, who created the project, the active members inside the project, and the total chats created inside. This helps you identify which projects in your workspace are used the most. Finally, we have the user activity details. This is your most detailed view. You see each team member segment, whether they're a power user, or they're a regular, or maybe a beginner. Beginners have had 1 to 4 chat in the last 30 days. Regulars have had 5 to 19 chats in the last 30 days, and power users have had 20 plus chats in the last 30 days. Over here, you can also see each user's number of chats, number of messages sent, and number of pages created. So what can you do with this data? You might notice that some team members are using Juma all the time. They could help onboard others. You might also see certain projects that have become the go-to spaces for collaboration. And if someone is just getting started, you'll know who might appreciate a quick check-in for some tips. This is Workspace Analytics. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.